Here's today's top story. AMD's AM4 CPUs like the relaunched Ryzen 7 5800X 3D deliver negligible gaming improvements in newer motherboards, making older hardware relevant during DRAM crisis. Consumers are grateful that they have a company like AMD that supported a platform like AM4 for as long as it did, going so far as re-release its incredibly popular and groundbreaking Ryzen 7 5800X 3D with 3D V-cache to improve gaming performance. However, does it make sense to pair this CPU with an older motherboard, or do you risk losing performance? One YouTuber did a comparison, and you'll want to check this out. It was tricky to get the newer Ryzen 7 5800X 3D to be recognized by an older AM4 motherboard. Gaming performance results are nearly identical to show whether the re-engineered version of the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D would produce similar or drastically different results when running on older and newer motherboards. Linus Tech Tips decided to attach each test bench with AMD's newer CPU. One of the systems featured an older X370 motherboard, while the newer one featured an X570 chipset. The GPU was also an older GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, along with DDR4 RAM. Now, getting the memory to run at its optimized clock speeds was difficult on the older motherboard and CPU pairing, so Linus Tech Tips assumed that there would be some performance loss when trying out some titles. Given that X370 and X570 motherboards have feature differences too, such as PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD compatibility, owners of the updated platform will find less outdated hardware to offer more utility. Unfortunately, when it comes to gaming, both Cyberpunk 2077 and CS2 showed little performance differences with the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D running in the X370 and X570 motherboards. For good measure, Linus Tech Tips also threw in Cities Skylines 2 since it's a CPU-intensive title, which again rendered negligible performance improvements. For those who own AMD's AM4 platforms and are looking to upgrade, perhaps this video will make you reconsider. After all, with DDR5 RAM prices all over the place right now, it can be quite an expensive upgrade just to acquire a specific component. However, if you do own a non-X3D AMD CPU in your gaming PC, perhaps upgrading to the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D will be your best bet. After all, a $339.95 purchase from Amazon is a better bet than having to go through the painful process of selecting a new AMD CPU, motherboard, and memory, and who wants that unnecessary hassle? News source: Linus Tech Tips. Follow WukTech on Google to get more of our news coverage in your feeds. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.